This is the best thing, especially if you are a busy mom. It is my robot shark vacuum. It is super simple to use and comes with an app. It does have to be connected to Wi-Fi, but you don't always have to use the app. You can just use these buttons right here. And then if something needs changed or emptied, it will talk. It came with replacement things for this. This right here is what senses something and it'll stop and not hit it. And then you can empty the filters right here. So once this thing is full, it will come back to the stand, empty into the tank, which is awesome. You don't have to worry about it for quite a while. This is also where it charges. That is it charging. And those are like the types of sounds that it makes. This is the app. It is super easy to use. I can leave my house, be totally away from my Wi-Fi, and still turn my vacuum on, so that's the great part. It has a max mode and a normal mode. You can pick which room after it maps your house, and then you just hit clean and it'll show in progress. And then this is it picking up some Cheez-Its. It did leave a little